Hey guys, how are you doing? I am back with another video from my addicted blogging channel, and in this video we will discuss about one simple little trick that can fix most of the issues in your Amazfit watches. So this will be a sick video guys as always, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be bringing more videos like this. Let's start. So first of all, the Amazfit watch GTS 2 Mini is a great watch, and many a times I am facing an issue before, but though it is fixed in the latest update, it seems that whenever I wanted to change something like the app list management or anything like the watch settings, what was happening was if I put these options in the top, or I want to rearrange the options in my Amazfit GTS 2 Mini and I wanted to click on save, previously it was hanging and the watch was not working properly. And also one issue was there, that is the watch was getting unresponsive at times, especially when I am using the always on display. So I found that there is an option of resetting the watch in the settings that you can use to reset the watch definitely. But if you reset the watch, what used to happen is all the data which is in the watch and all the settings which are there in the watch will get erased. So at that time what you want to do is fix the watch at the same time not losing the data. So for that reason there is a cool simple little trick that you can use, and it fixes really all the problems of Amazfit watches. First of all, make sure that you have updated your watch to the latest version. That is really important. So not only the watch, you have to make sure that you have updated the Zap app to the latest version also. So how to update the watch is very simple. You can see that you need to come to the Zap app and you need to come to profile here, and after the profile you need to click on the watch which will be connected, and after that you need to click on system update. So in this way you can update the watch. And if you want to update the Zap app, then you already know how to update that. You need to go to Play Store and click on update to update the Zap app. Once you have done these two things and you are still facing issues, the only way to solve if your watch is not working properly is you have to come to the Zap app and you need to come to again profile, and in the profile you will see after you go to the watch there will be an option to unpair the watch. So what happens if you unpair the watch is most of the settings in your watch will be there. If you unpair the watch and repair also, most of the settings will be there. And also I have seen that it fixes most of the problems in my watch, because previously I was doing restart and reset. Restarting was not fixing the watch, because if a problem was happening and if I'm restarting the watch again the problem occurs. So I was resetting the watch, but don't reset the watch because that will erase all data. Simply what you need to do is unpair the watch from here, and it will give you an option to unpair. And if you unpair the watch from the Zap app, you can see that it will take some time to unpair, and it is very easy. The process is very easy. Once done, it will show unpair watch. You have to click on unpair, and I am saying you that most of the issues will be solved if you unpair the watch and repair the watch, because previously I used to face a lot of issues with this watch. Those got resolved after I did this trick. So you can see that once I unpair the watch, it will show me this barcode. And right now what you need to do is you need to again pair the watch, add device, watch, and here you can see that previously connected. You don't need to do anything, just repair the watch with the phone and it will give you a notifications. And you can see it will take some time and it is getting paired with the Zap app. Yeah, once done, you can see that my watch face has changed, but it is showing that restoring watch settings. So what it will do, it will restore all the watch settings in your watch. Whatever settings you have done with your watch, those will be restored. So it will take some time, and after that what you need to do to get back to the normal watch settings and everything. I will tell you after that. So you can see that it has been unpaired and paired again, and you can see that it has been connected and updating the GPS. So obviously this is the thing guys, this is the trick which will resolve many of the issues if you are facing any issues in your Amazfit watch. So you can see it is updating the GPS, and once updated it will show here that it has updated, it has been updated. So you can see it has completed updating the watch, and it is showing me that the watch is connected with the battery of 93%. Right now the watch face has changed, but you can see that if I go to the watch face settings, the old watch faces are still there. I need to just select the watch face from here and all the settings will be the same. Whatever phone settings you did previously will be the same. So that's it guys. I think you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be bringing more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.